welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today it's going to be an exclusive collections of Assam silk sarees. Very different variety of a saree. This is all going to be a completely kutch work hand embroidery design which you are going to see in the Assam silk material. The material of the saree is going to be a slightly silkish material, but it's going to be a completely hand wash material. Better you don't do a machine wash, just a hand wash should be fine for these sarees. And it's going to be completely embroidered saree. And this is going to be kutch work embroidery. So they have actually marked, how they do is they generally mark the designs and then do the hand embroidery. So there will be small pencil markings here and there in the saree. Do not consider that as any mistake in the saree. It's just it is so unavoidable in any kind of hand embroidered work which is being done. Once you do a small wash, it will be really fine. Very pretty saree. This is going to be very exclusive collection. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a lovely Assam silk material. In that embroidery work has been completely done in the saree. First I will explain about the material. This material is going to be more of a silkish material, more of a synthetic base. In that embroidery has been done, and this is completely a hand embroidery, a beautiful hand embroidery done throughout the body of the saree. And I'll tell you about how this work has been done. They will actually make markings in pencil, and after that they do the handwork. So there will be small pencil markings throughout be there in the saree, but it will go after wash. And this is a normal wash saree. Very pretty one. This is off-white color saree. In that the embroidery is being done in beautiful copper sulphate work. And have a closer look of the border. A beautiful embroidery done on the borders on both the sides of the saree. It's a very pretty one. And throughout the body we have a beautiful small embroidery pattern running along the body of the saree. Very pretty one. And a very classy pallu. Rich embroidered work in the pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this, with embroidery work for the hands. And the price of this saree is 870. Very pretty color combination we have in the same pattern. I'll show you the other colors. It's all more of off-white base. The first was an off-white with blue. Now it's off-white with pink. So you will have a closer look of the colors. So whenever you get a closer look, take a screenshot then, because it's all going to be off-white. So try to get the colors properly. And this is the pallu of the saree. And all the sarees will have a very beautiful rich pallus, grand pallus. Very beautiful saree. This is the body of the saree and the pallu of the saree, and the price of this saree is 870. The next is going to be off-white with light blue and darker blue combination together in the embroideries in the body. So this is going to be the body of the saree. A very pretty design, lovely pattern. You'll have a beautiful embroidery. For this price, this work is just awesome and great. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the price of this saree is 870. The next is going to be off-white with green. Beautiful one. See, this is the body of the saree. Off-white with green color. Very pretty color combo. And this is going to be the pallu of the saree. A rich pallu with a very beautiful embroideries. All handworks. Like, when you wear these sarees, it will look really classy and very unique pieces these sarees will be. The next is going to be off-white. In that the embroidery is in rust and green color. So have a closer look of the colors, of the body colors, so that the embroidery colors you have a closer look, so that you can judge on which sarees you like. Very pretty colors. And this is going to be the pallu of the sari. Very rich pallu. Body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 870. All the saris are going to be priced at the same price. All the Assam silk saris are on the same price. So all 870. This is off-white with black. Single color combination. Off-white with black. And the pallu of the sari. So this is going to be the body of the sari. And the price of this sari is 870. This is again an off-white, in that the embroidery is being done in dark maroon and blue color combination. So have a closer look of the colors. Very lovely designs. And this is going to be the pallu of the sari. Rich pallu. And this is the body of the sari. Maroon and blue color combo. The next is going to be off-white with, this is more of a peacock green, darker peacock green shade. So have a closer look of the colors. Like, no, it will look really class when you wear. And this is the pallu of the sari. And all the saris have running blouses, but if you match it up with some contrast blouses, it will look really class. Some really dark, on the contrast colors of the embroidery, whichever is being given. If you do get it in that color, it will be nice. So this is going to be off-white, in that the embroidery is in pink and blue color. You will have closer look of all the colors for you to judge, make your choices. The pallu of the sari, and the price of the sari is 870. The next is brown, off-white with brown. Different shade again. See, the colors look really different. Off-white with brown. Very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari. Pretty designs and the color. The next is going to be off-white with maroon. This is going to be off-white with maroon. Lovely combination. These saris are more of silkish material. The material is slightly silkish. Very pretty one, but all this are Kanta stitch works. Very pretty works. The next is going to be a lovely light with teal, off-white with teal combination. Different shade actually with teal combination. And this is the pallu of the sari. Off-white with teal. And the price of this sari is 870. The next is going to be again light reddish maroon with blue color combo. So this is going to be the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this, a pretty pallu. And the price of this sari is 870. The next is going to be off-white with rust green and yellow shade. So this is going to be the body of the sari. Looks nice, classic. And this is the pallu of the sari. Very pretty color. And the price of this sari is 870. This is again a beautiful off-white with dark peacock green shade. A beautiful color, lovely shade. A darker shade of peacock green. And this is the pallu of the sari. All the pallus are going to be really rich in these saris. These will look really class pieces when you wear. Like, no, really have a very rich look. These saris will have. The next is going to be off-white with a lighter blue and indigo blue shade. Have a closer look of the color. It's more of a subtle shade. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu. The material is really flowy and soft. The next is going to be lovely shade. We just have only few color combinations. Mostly it's off-white. This is black with beautiful blue and orange shade. So see, have a look of the sari. It will look really nice. And this is the pallu of the sari. And all the embroideries in the saris are so rich and hand woven. So hand woven work, and this price is just really lesser price according to me. For the kind of work the weavers do in these saris, the price is really less. This is more of a khaki shade, a beige, a khaki shade, in that a red color embroidery. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the body of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 870. The next is going to be beige with same beige with green, blue and darker navy blue or black. I'll just check the color. It's more of black. So we'll have a closer look. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this. So here the sari. Next is going to be beige with red. The first was more of a maroon. This is red, beige with red. All colors will be really nice in these saris. And this is the pallu of the sari. And here and there in these saris there will be pencil markings. Don't think those pencil markings as any mistakes or in the sari. They will go after wash. Those kind of markings are completely unavoidable in these kind of saris. This is beige with green, and this is the pallu of the sari. This is again a beige with green, blue and darker blue embroidery, different color combinations, very different design also. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu, like the saris will look really class when you wear it. Very pretty one. And the price of this sari is 870. The next is going to be beige with copper sulphate blue and a lighter blue shade. It's a dual different 2-3 color combinations in the same pattern. Light blue, darkest blue, 3 different blues in the same embroidery. And this is the pallu of the sari. And the price of this sari is 870. The next is going to be beige with copper sulphate blue. This is a single color combination. Beige with dark blue, a copper sulphate blue, and this is the pallu of the sari, and this is going to be the body of the sari, and the price of this sari is 870. The last combo in the same pattern is going to be beautiful beige with dark maroon. Look really pretty color, lovely color combo. So this is how it will look. Lovely shade. And the price of this sari is 870. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.